Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share a detailed review of the amazing Minisopuru 16-in-1 docking station. Whether you're a tech lover searching for cool new gadgets, a professional needing a versatile docking station, or just someone who wants an all-in-one connectivity solution, this docking station could be just what you need. We'll explore all the cool features, benefits, and even potential drawbacks. So let's jump right in. Let's start by discussing the design and build quality of the Minisopuru 16-in-1 docking station. This docking station features a sleek and compact design with a durable aluminum body that gives it a premium look and feel. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it a great addition to any workspace. The ports are well organized and spaced out, which means you won't have any trouble blocking in multiple devices. The most cool feature that I love about it is that it comes with an impressive total of 16 ports to meet all your connectivity needs. For video output, we have 2x HDMI and 2x DisplayPort that support 4K at 60Hz, along with one HDMI and one DisplayPort supporting 8K at 30Hz for connecting up to 3 external monitors. For the data transfer, we have 2x USB-C with 7.5 watts for additional data transfer and charging of various devices. 2x USB-A with 7.5 watts for connecting and also charging of various devices. One USB-A for connecting mice or keyboards, one Ethernet for a stable wired internet connection, one 3.5mm audio jack for connecting headphones or speaker. For charging your laptop, we have one USB-C PD for the power delivery, and for connecting the docking station to your laptop, we have the 2-host USB-C port. Also, it's designed specifically for multimedia enthusiasts with built-in SD and TF card readers, making the transfer of media files effortless. This makes it a perfect choice for photographers and videographers who frequently need quick file transfer and varied connectivity options. This docking station is super user-friendly. Just plug it into your computer and you're good to go. Just make sure to install the DisplayLink driver on your laptop before using it, otherwise it won't work. Plus, it works with Windows, macOS, and Linux, so it's perfect no matter what system you're using. The 16-in-1 Minisopuru docking station is a top choice for those seeking exceptional value for their investment. Boasting an impressive array of ports, this docking station ensures extensive connectivity options for all your devices. Its reliable performance ensures seamless data transfer and power delivery, effectively eliminating the need for multiple adapters and hubs. This all-in-one solution is the perfect choice for individuals looking to streamline their work and entertainment setup and enhance their overall connectivity experience.